going solo tonight, but the intensity remains. Ash went floating on Mona hockey field. Nikisha Barnes talks about Rock of Ages love, and Sanjay auditions for his spot on yet another dance group. Maybe today will be his lucky day. Intense starts now. It's a party that's been growing since inception, so we had no doubt that this year would have been anything but good. Ash went floating.
Tonight at Mona Hockey Field, it's all about food, food and more food at Floating.
So everybody, smoking big up the 17 there, Renaissance.
Look who I found stuffing their face.
They come and pay them, catch me and eat, they can't them something there.
That's the point, it's a food party, don't it?
Love it.
So how are you enjoying it so far?
I'm not too long reaching, I'm from country, you know, we have work and them things there for do. But it's good, I like the vibe, I like the people I'm see here, a couple of my friends in there. Actually, my brother in the party, so I've come support him.
Nice, and you like the food too?
Yeah, but more some more seafood.
You can't look the girl and shoot the girl and get her for the Molly sir. Oh, them are so dirty and them are not. You want to everybody stop moving around, stop moving around.
So I have someone here with me who is enjoying her crayfish soup. How is it?
It's amazing. I'm loving it. They only gave me one cray though. That's the only upsetting thing about it. But it's really, really good.
Bellissimo.
What do you like so far about the party?
Oh, it's just fun. I enjoy the finger food and everything and enjoying the music.
What is happening at the Mama's Pasta Station tonight?
Well, tonight we're doing a coconut curry fish pasta. We're doing a pork and bean pasta. And we're doing a grilled chicken pasta.
Mama's Pasta and Grill. Look what's happening. This is the result. Finish.
We have conch fritters, festival breadfruit, stew conch, shrimp, roast pork, and chicken.
Have you tried any of the food yet?
Just the jerk chicken.
Did you like it?
Yeah, but I wanted jerk pork, but it was finished.
So have you had any of the food?
Yes, it's lovely.
So I am here with the team from Boat Runners, and you guys are food reviewers?
That's right. We are the
Experts, food reviewers. Okay, what makes you guys experts?
Well, I've been eating food all my life. So I know what's good and I know what I like.
24 years of experience.
All right, so what do you guys think of the food so far in your expert opinion?
To tell you the truth, the food has been amazing. Mama's Pasta is awesome. The jerk chicken, the jerk pork, pig's tail, all that has been great. We're totally satisfied. 10 out of 10 for Floating. We're good.
So you already bring the vibes to Floating. What brought you out here tonight?
Yeah, I never know, I just come for party and enjoy myself. After the performances them yesterday, so I just come to enjoy myself.
Nice. Have you had any of the food yet?
No.
You need to go around to the food court.
I'm belly full.
Oh, you never walk with your belly tonight?
No.
If you came to Floating, you're sure to leave this party with a belly full of vibes and a belly full of food.